So I'm going to demonstrate our application that we prepared for the final project for ME 305. We are Johanna and Evgenia, and we have prepared an application that presents users with it helps them find the nearest train station. It lists arrivals and departures, and it gets directions from the user's current location to the train station. So the way the application does that is that first it gets the geolocation, so the user has to allow to access this from the phone, and then it lists the closest station to the user's location. So say I want to travel, or I'm interested in Kalmar station, and it will then list all the trains from Kalmar. These are the departures. There are quite a lot of them, so I specifically want to go to Smedby, and the text search allows me to view only the trains bound for Smedby. What our app then does is it provides the user with the location of the user on the map, and it also plots the train station on the map. So the user then knows how long it will take to get there and what way to take. They can also choose a mode of transport. So this is helpful, for example, if I'm not familiar with the town I'm in and I want to catch a train, then it's handy to know the way for me to get to the station and also approximately how long it will take me to get to the station. Then I can set out at a reasonable time and make my train. There is also the same functionality with arrivals. The application lists all the trains arriving to Kalmar, but if I am interested in trains arriving from Nybro, I can filter the search and I get the trains arriving from Nybro. And this could be helpful if I am waiting for a train that my friend is catching and I'm meeting my friend at the station. Then I know what time the train arrives, so I can quickly look that up, and then I can also view on the map how long it will take me from where I am at the moment to get to the station. So then I know when I have to leave to be able to meet my friend on time. There is an existing app by SJ that has similar functionality in that it lists arrivals and departures and you can search for them. It also plots the train's journey on the map. What it doesn't do though is help users to see how far away they are from the station and how to get to the station, which is what our application does. And SJ's app is quite big. It has quite a lot of functionality, which means that you have to click around for a bit. So even if you're a user that just quickly wants to look up the time of a train, our app could be very useful. We have developed this application in using the Flutter framework and using the Dart programming language. The implementation is described in the report, and we also describe scenarios and use cases in the report. So I think this presentation covers the application's functionality from the user's view. So thank you very much for listening.